We're really sorry now that you're nauseated. What's up and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Slip. So this is the iPhone 16 Ultramarine Blue in Gizmo Slip colors, ready to be drop tested and see how durable this new iPhone is. We're gonna be dropping it 10 times from a bunch of different angles. As we do, we also have a phantom slow motion camera to capture the slow motion impact goodness. Without further ado, it's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started.
Been a hot minute since I heard that phrase. Yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Here's the iPhone 16. Boom. Notice the USB-C charger here. So starting drop test is on the bottom in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. So we got some damage in the top left corner on the back. So we impacted right here on the bottom, and you can see we actually did some pretty good little damage. This cement kind of tore into that aluminum exterior casing. Kind of spiky feeling now on my pinky there. For the top in 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look at that damage. Definitely dinged in here at the top. It looks like it didn't crack the glass or anything, and everything seems to be functioning just fine. Next up, we're doing the bottom left corner in 3, 2, 1. Nice, that was a good impact. Drop number 3, more dings in the aluminum enclosure. It's definitely getting real dingy. Number 4 on the bottom right corner in 3, 2, 1. Let's see that damage. We've got more of that layer of aluminum being stripped away with each impact, and it's getting sharper and sharper on the fingers too. Drop number 5 in the top left in 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was face down. That was a straight face down. Okay, well, this is, yep, that was a nice little face down. So let's see if it's alive. Take a slow-mo look at this wonderful face down drop test. Totally done on purpose. Hey, schmeck. Yeah, that was a perfect face down. Thank you. It was very talented.
That was absolutely flawless. Straight to the face.
Straight to the face. Totally meant to do that.
12 out of 10.
The semi face down drop test. And it shattered. That did not last as long as I hoped it would.
Drop number 5.
Drop number 5.
Only halfway.
Well, I think there's only one thing left to do with this, and that's to shatter it way, way worse than it's shattered right now. So let's do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nailed it.
Some glass landed on my laptop.
Oh, shoot. No. 3, 2, 1. Right there. We have a piece of glass from the iPhone impact. All right, so this is a big yikes for me, in my opinion. We did 4 normal drops. Each drop, the aluminum felt so soft. It was getting so many nicks and stuff everywhere on the phone. And then on top of that, we didn't even intentionally drop it on the face, but it kind of basically was a perfect face down drop. And it only took 1. Like, we've had iPhones in the past that have done like 5 or 6 face down drops without breaking. And this one shattered way easier. So I think the iPhone 16, I don't know, it's been a pretty similar price for the iPhones over the years. So maybe they had to skimp on the materials and make them less durable as the years go on. That's the only thing I can think of, because this thing just came apart with 1 smash and 1 drop. And it's like the frame is bent, and this thing is really hot. I'm guessing the lithium-ion battery is going to town. Cases recommended for the iPhone 16. Showing you this amazing wisdom that iPhones break when you drop them. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content or you found it useful, hit that like button. If you want to see more epic drop tests, be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Brandon out.